The way I teach body de-armoring is to program non-duality into the body on the cellular level. To not resist our pain or attach to our pleasure means our vibration can go into its natural evolutionary state. Balance in life and balance in pleasure and pain leads us to exponential growth. A mindset that rejects pain and is attached to and fights for pleasure has trapped itself and stopped its own evolution. As de-armoring is a metaphor, there are many different practices. I heard of one de-armoring practice that works by creating pain under tension and even using giant dildos for the anus. This is not what we are doing. I'd only recommend to de-armor the anus softly with a greater focus on pleasure. So a small crystal can help if that's really how you want to work. But 80 to 90% of the time, our focus should be on relaxing while in pain. We might tense and fight a little to give us a better sense of what the pain is. But to de-armor, transform and sublimate an energy or trauma, first we must learn to relax and accept it. In this practice, we are only using pain to the point where the body can remain relaxed. We are using breath that puts a person into the parasympathetic nervous system, into a rest and digest state. And by working with pain, only in a mild way, while the client or yourself, when working on yourself, can remain relaxed, not tense up, thus moving into pleasure. We create non-judgmentalness in the body. And we align our mind with the polarity framework. We create non-judgmentalness in the mind. And as we learn to express our emotions in the sessions without attachment, we can move from anger to laughter to tears and to horniness all within 10 minutes over and over again. So we create non-judgmentalness in the emotional body. So we see and experience how our three bodies can work together and can communicate through breath, pain, and pleasure. De-armoring in this way means we start to live the gifts of what non-duality brings us in our waking life, not just when in deep meditation. So de-armoring in Kundalini bodywork, which is slightly different elsewhere, is to program non-duality into the body, into the foundation of our being, through the numerous breathing and bodywork practices that you are learning. So if there is only one thing that you take from the video, other than putting crystals up your anus, it is to relax on the in and relax on the out breath, while de-armoring to help you create a non-dual mind, a mind that accepts pleasure and does not resist pain, so that we can evolve into exponential growth. This doesn't necessarily mean chasing pain. It's about surrendering to the pain that is already in our body, our existing pain.